Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to do the review of Boult Audio Verve. So I got this speaker from Amazon for the price of just 1300 rupees, and in this video let's see whether this speaker is worth it or not. So before we get started with the review, I would ask you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Dude Varun, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications. And let's get started. So, Boult Audio has just launched the speaker in the market, the Boult Audio Verve. It's for 1300 rupees and it's a 10-watt speaker and it sounds really amazing. So, before we get into the review, let's go around the box and see what all features it offers. So, in the front of the box, as you can see, it says Boult Audio Verve, image of the speaker, Verve again written over here. On this side, you've got some information. It's got 1-year warranty, it's got built-in mic for taking calls, it's got extra bass, and it's got built-in micro woofers. At the back, it just says Boult Audio, nothing over here. And again on the top, it says Boult Audio Verve, Vicky Kaushal, brand ambassador. So let me unbox the speaker and I'll be back with its contents. Yes guys, I'm back with the contents. So here is the main speaker unit. You get an auxiliary cable, you get a USB cable for charging. It's just a simple micro USB cable. You get a 1-year warranty card and you get the user manual. And that's about it. So let me keep these things aside and let's bring in the speaker. Let me play you a music sample and you decide whether this speaker is worth it or not. So here is Boult Audio Verve. It looks really amazing. Yes, I know you're thinking that it's got a UE Wonderboom vibe, but yes, they've stolen this plus minus button from it. Otherwise, the speaker looks very nice. It's got a waterproof mesh around the speaker. It's IPX65 water resistant speaker. You've got the plus volume, minus volume in the front over here. On the top, you've got the back song, forward song, power button, and the mode button over here. And in this flap, there's a flap over here. It opens up. You've got the micro USB port for charging. You've got the reset button over here. This is the micro SD card slot. You've got a pen drive slot as well, and you've got a 3.5mm jack for playing this speaker if your Bluetooth stops working. So it looks really amazing. Now comes the battery life. The battery capacity on this speaker is about 2000 mAh. It takes about 2 hours to completely charge, and the play time that I got was somewhere around 6 hours at 80% volume, which is very good. At the back, as you can see, it's got a nice silicone carry loop. Yes, it is fragile, but don't pull it too much, it might break. Otherwise, you can carry it around with this help of this strap. And at the bottom, you've got the passive bass radiator, which pumps out quite a bit of bass. So if you're looking for a 10-watt speaker which sounds amazing and it's got great price, then do check out the Boult Audio Verve. It's worth it. So let's start with turning on the speaker. So with the help of the power button, turn it on.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Your device is ready to pair. Your Verve speaker has now been connected.
So it's connected to my mobile device. And the best thing is, if you can see here, it shows the battery level in this. So in your mobile, you can see the battery level of the speaker as well. So now let's play some music.
Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me, I'm loving this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably more than a fuck of the hell. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, so we get on my face. I got a taste, well the whole play. Finna get laced if we step out of place. Like first stuff, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crushing. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, I slave for this. Getting down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like. Getting down and I'ma sight like. Down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like.
So now that you've heard the sound quality of the speaker, I am quite impressed. Right now it was playing at 100% volume and there was no distortion of any kind. The treble was good and the bass was amazing. So if you're looking for a 10-watt speaker which sounds amazing and has got great price, then do check out the Boult Audio Verve. It's worth it. I'll leave the Best Buy links down in the description below. Do check it out and I hope you liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Dude Varun and don't forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications. I'll see you next time in another video. You take care of yourself, God bless and be safe.